to do it. Why we would have been struggling, wouldn't we, Lee? Do you know what I mean? We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 26, 26, 26, 30. 30 holes, 15 quid. That's all I've spent. 15 quid, 30 holes in porcelain tiles. This is really tough porcelain as well. That is solid porcelain. Do you know what I mean? These babies. Oh, in fact, I forgot. Seat, extra 4 there. 34 toilet, extra 2, 36 holes out of a pack. Do you know what I mean? Or shower, another 4 there as well. That's nearly 40 holes out of a pack. Do you know what I mean? So it's cost us 15 quid. Bish bash bosh, pay into my PayPal, £15, and you get a pack of 10. Can't beat it.